Hi y'all, my name is Ann and welcome to my channel. I'm going to be doing this Wantable unboxing, and let me explain a little bit about what Wantable is. Wantable is a styling service. You go online and take a style quiz, let them know things like your size, your weight, your height, those kinds of things, and then also what your style is, what you're looking for, if you're looking for anything in particular. And your personal stylist will pick it out for you, and you will get at least 5 outfits, I believe. They'll send them to you. You've got 5 days to try them on and consider them. And if you keep all 5, you get 20% off. And also your styling fee, your $20 styling fee applies to anything that you keep. I got Great Outdoors Edit. It's a limited time active edit. Let's see what they sent me. Really soft Suburban Riot. Gratitude, gratitude, gratitude. I like that. I like that a lot. I think it's black. Size medium. It does look kind of big, but we'll see. Sometimes I like my shirts. If I wear them to work out, I kind of like them kind of big. Not sure if I'd wear this to work out, but maybe. Kind of depends on how much it is. Here are some, looks like camo, but they're actually flowered. They're flowers. High-rise leggings. I like these. I'm kind of surprised. It's got a floral print, a floral camo print, if that makes sense. Next is another pair of leggings. These are, holy cow, they're glider, and these are medium. I don't know, we'll see. I like them. I like the feel. I love the high rise, always like a high rise. We'll see about that. Oh my gosh, these look so big to me. This is another glider. Workout shirt. It's in a pretty, like a salmon-y color. And it's got these interesting holes in it. The armholes are pretty big. Probably gonna take a sports bra, which I don't do sports bras. So probably, oh my gosh, these look so big. Goodness gracious. Trust the journey. It's cute. It's got a seam down the very center of the back. It's a size medium. I don't know. Wow. Very cute. Very cute. Next we have a black, I've got a lot of black shirts like this. Y'all, maybe they sent me the wrong box. Or maybe I'll try them on and be really surprised that they all fit. But these just look really, really big. And then last but not least is this kind of sweatshirt. Holy cow. That is so big. It's kind of a khaki, lightweight. I don't know, we'll see. I guess they're thinking the bigger, the more comfortable. I don't know. We will see. This is the Mood Tank in sherbet, size medium, a glider. Is Bryce Trust the Journey tee in white in a medium, and it's good. It's by Good Human. Gratitude t-shirt is by Suburban Riot. The Cruise Pullover Cafe Latte MPG Sport sweatshirt, and the reverse. Oh, I wondered if they were reversible. Wow, I started to look at that because, well, and as soon as I saw the tag, I thought, well, no, they're not reversible, but they are. So you've got camo on one side. You've got this tag here, but you just cut it off. That's cool. And then it's got the camo colored floral print. On the other side, those are reversible legging in olive botanical by Wear It to Heart. And then these last leggings are To the Point legging in black gloss, size medium by Glider. So it's the first time I've ever gotten a themed edit. I've always just gotten the style edit. My stylist is Darian. You have 5 days of discovery. Enjoy it, take your time. This edit is all about you. Did I tell you about this? Mood Tank in Sherbet, size medium by Glider. As I'm saying it, I think I did. Kind of a mess today. I fell earlier. I was stepping up on a chair, stepped down, forgot there were boxes underneath me, and took a hard dive on my shoulder. And it's just kind of put me out of sorts today, but I'm okay. Just kind of embarrassed me. Nobody was around to see it, but embarrassed myself. And anyway, just want to let you know. Let's get to the try on and I'll show you what I got. Okay, these are the leggings, the reversible leggings. And this is, this is too big. And this is kind of crazy. I do think it's really cute. Of course, I'm not going to keep it because, you know, this. So, it's kind of closer up if you want to see. I like these leggings actually. They're really comfortable. I wear black leggings. I'm pretty basic in leggings. I don't generally wear them out. I wear them to work out in, or I wear them around the house. But I like them covered mostly. But these are really cute. These are not. They're really cute. Here we are with the second shirt that goes with these leggings. Just your basic black tee. Cap sleeves. I have lots of black t-shirts, so this will probably be a no, but we'll see. Okay, here's the next one. So they're kind of bunching on me. And then this graphic tee. I like what it says, but it's doing this kind of weird something down at the bottom here. It kind of flares out. I've got a lot of black leggings. I get really good ones at Amazon. I get really good ones at Gap or even Old Navy. So, and also these are a little too big. The t-shirt's not as big as I thought it was going to be, but all right. Here's another one, graphic white tee. Trust the journey. Like what it says. It's got the seam in the back. So, one more top. Last one. I think this is really cute. I like it. I like the scoop hem. I like that it covers here. I like that it covers here. It does not cover here. And it sure is cool. So that's it for my active edit. First time. Kind of a bust. But we'll see. Let's do a wrap up really quick. Okay, as a wrap up, here we go. This cute little mood tank in sherbet, and it is sherbet, really cute. That top is $48. These are $98. You do get 2 for 1. Here's the camo. Camo's cuter actually, and it is 2 for 1 by Wear It to Heart, $98. Okay, this Bryce Trust the Journey tee by Good Human, $54. Oops. Yeah, no. Not gonna keep that. Gratitude tee in black by Suburban Riot, $38. Oh, nope. like it, but no. If it were like 20, 24, maybe I would keep it, but no. This Cruise Pullover and Cafe Latte by MPG Sport is $45. Medium MPG Sport. How much are you? $30. That's not bad. That's not bad. But I've got that I can think of just right offhand. I've got probably 3 black tees, and then I still have these black leggings on. To the Point legging in black gloss by Glider, $82. This merchandise came to $3.95. Wow. If you kept 5, $79 discount, which is subtotal $316, styling credit fee $21.65, subtotal $316 minus the $21 styling fee $26.07, $320. That's if I kept all 5 and got all the discounts and everything. And I think it would have helped too if these weren't too big. I'm just gonna have to go in and let her know that they were all too big and that maybe we need to size down on. That's it for this Wantable Active edit. I will see you next time for another one. Oh, if you would like to subscribe, please click down there and hit the subscribe button. That's really it, y'all. Thank you so much. Thanks. Bye-bye.